Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to resolve Talkie app crashing issues. So let's get started with the video. The first thing is you need to make sure that you're using the updated version. You need to go to the Play Store, or if you're using an App Store Apple phone, you can go to the App Store, search for Talkie application. And here if you get an option of update, make sure that you're using the updated version. The next thing is you need to go to the settings of your phone. Once you are on settings, here you will see an option of, when you will scroll down, software update, or you can go to the search icon at upper right corner and search for software update. Click on download and install. Make sure that you're using the updated version. Your software is up to date. Here you will get an option of download. You can download it. Once you have done this, the next step is to clear the cache and the data for the application. In the settings, in the search bar, you need to search for the application. Click on that. Scroll down. Here you will see a storage section. Click on that and then click on clear cache at below right corner. Once you have done this, make sure that you are using the stable internet connection. You can switch from cellular data to your Wi-Fi and do vice versa. If this also do not solve the issue, the last thing which you can do is try to reinstall the app from the App Store. You can hold the particular application, click on uninstall, then click on OK. And post that, you can again go to the Play Store and click on the install icon. So this is how you can resolve the issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.